Hello, hello, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. This is V here, and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello, everybody.
Now, we have done this before, but I'm bringing another version of it for you guys. It's the summer rolls. It's a quick version, and it's something different than what we've done before. Now, when we do go to the restaurant, there's a different way the restaurant people serve it, but we are doing it completely different. And while we run through it, I'll give you more ideas. And before we head on over to everything, why don't you go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and we can move on. So for the ingredients, we have some steamed asparagus, carrots, I have some bell pepper.
And the bell pepper is raw, although you could steam it up if you want it softer.
Yeah. And I have some spring mix, and I have some water in this plate. You can't really see it because
it's water.
But maybe I can make it ridge a little bit. And I have rice paper. Now they do have these in brown rice too, so whatever floats your boat, go do that. Now for this, so at the restaurant, when me and Pam go out with friends, we try to rely on these because, you know, we try not to eat out. So they usually stuff it with a lot of lettuce and
shrimp. We always have to tell them to hold the shrimp.
Yeah, and they put purple cabbage and maybe a few carrots in there. So
maybe.
Yeah, maybe. You don't always see the orange in there, but that's the usual version. So me and Pam love this, and even my kids love it. My husband loves it. So I've done a few different versions. I've put like a nori sheet inside, made it like a sushi version, or I've even made it the Indian version. Like I would steam these vegetables with a little bit of curry masala or garam masala and put it. It's whatever, and it's something so easy. You can make it ahead, put it in a container, take it with you. It's a good snack. It's just delicious. And to go with these today, we have our maple peanut butter dressing that we use as a dip or dressing, and we will link that down below for you. But I'm gonna get into how to make these, and they're super easy and super quick to make. So you just take the rice paper and you just dip it in water.
And if you have never used this before, go ahead and give it a try, because there are like a million in one pack. I mean,
they are. And
it's
it's not expensive at all.
Yeah.
So I dipped it in water for just a few seconds, and it's still a little bit rough, but as it sits, because it's wet, it's gonna keep.
It'll soften up.
Yeah. So you don't want to leave it in water too long. And I'm gonna put some lettuce in here, my spring mix.
Which always adds a nice crunch.
Yeah.
I think it's nice.
And it makes it nice and green.
My son will air fry up some tofu. That's what he likes in his. My son's old enough, he's doing his own. So I don't have to do it for him. But that's what he enjoys.
Now, when we were eating tofu, our first version, that's what we did. We put tofu in it. And this is full veggies. And what we're gonna do is, because there's not really a lot of carb action going on, so we are gonna have some potatoes on the side.
Some air fried potatoes.
Yes.
Just to make sure we get our 50-50. And then if I know you follow us along, we follow a starch-based diet, and the starches are the powerhouse.
Yes. They're your fuel for the day.
Right. So we have to make sure and get that in.
So here it is, a little pouch of crispy goodness. And our vegetables, they're not steamed to death, so there's crunch in there, so when you bite into these, you'll get that crunch. And they're so easy to make. Like, see, it took me a few seconds to put it all together. So this is something, it's so easy to make. And you know what, even the kids enjoy messing around with this, because they're playing in water, so they'll always take that over anything. It's really simple. And if you like a certain vegetable, use that. You don't have to use the vegetables we're using.
I know. This is such a flexible lunch idea.
Yeah.
And this packs well. We've done this before.
Yeah, it does.
Put a few of these in a container, take your container of dip or dressing, whatever you choose, and you've got your lunch with you. So this is great to pack.
Yeah, and it's one of those non-messy lunches, if that's what you're looking for, quick, easy, even a snack. I even make these as a snack sometimes. And you fold it like a burrito. You fold.
If you folded a burrito.
If you folded a burrito. But see, and it sticks. The little bit of starch on the paper gets it to stick, and look at that. Yeah. So there you have it.
And I think when you use colorful vegetables, it adds color into your. You can see that in there.
The color pops. So if you like this recipe, head down below, comment and tell us what flavor have you tried, or do you do the basic, or is it something that you pick up at a restaurant? We would like to know, because we are all ears. If you're open up, if you have new flavors, I would love to hear it, because I've messed around quite a lot with these, so I would love to hear from you guys. So head on over to kindredvegans.com, sign up for your newsletter if you want to see more tips and tricks from us, and we will see you back next week. Till then, make these and have a good time. Bye.